The top 5 best bedside cribs recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. Mika Mickey Baby Bassinet Bedside Sleeper Bedside Crib. Easy to attach or remove from parent's bed using the 2 fastening straps provided. 7 height positions to suit parent's bed. Easy open side panel for bedside mode. 2 side mesh makes more breathable and cozy room. Stable bottom supported and comfortable mattress with sleeping board. Suitable from birth to 5 months/33 weeks or until baby can pull themselves into an upright position. Recommendation number 2. Baby Delight Beside Me Dreamer Bassinet. Sleep soundly knowing that your baby is close by and comfortable in the Beside Me Dreamer Bassinet and Bedside Sleeper. In the bassinet mode, your little one is surrounded by breathable mesh walls that keep air circulating while providing her with her own private sleeping area. It is lightweight enough to move from room to room for convenience. For bedside sleeper mode, simply unzip the side panel closest to your bed and snug the Beside Me Dreamer right up to the side. The attached straps safely secure the bedside sleeper to your adult bed, ensuring it stays snug and in place. Recommendation number 3. Baby Bassinet Rambe Bedside Sleeper. The Rambe Bedside Bassinet was manufactured with soft skin-friendly fabric which exceeds safety standards while promoting bedside parent-infant bonding. Holds your little one safely within reach, right at your bedside. 9 height adjustment to fit all beds, making it easier for you to care for your baby even in the middle of the night. Retractable feet allows the use with all beds that do not have space under bed or which have space under the bed frame. The open mesh sides allow more breathable comfort and visibility while providing baby with her own private sleeping area. Recommendation number 4. Baby JOY Baby Bedside Crib. The bedside sleeper has a detachable sidebar, 2 fixed ropes and retractable feet that can easily attach to the parent's bed. It's very convenient to take care of kids and have parent-child interaction at night, and it can effectively increase the kid's sense of security and improve sleep quality. There are 4 adjustable heights to meet the different needs of parents. What's more, the height of the 2 sides can be different. This design makes it easier for you to feed your baby because the tilt angle will effectively prevent the baby from refluxing and spitting milk. 2-side mesh allows parents to observe the baby's status anytime. Recommendation number 5. Ingenuity Dream and Grow Bedside Baby Bassinet. The Dream and Grow Bedside Bassinet holds your little one safely within reach, right at your bedside. The height adjusts to accommodate the height of mom and dad's bed, making it easier for you to care for your baby, even in the middle of the night. The open mesh sides allow more breathable comfort and visibility. When it's time to move baby to the nursery, you can move the mattress down to create a more spacious sleep environment for your growing baby. Soothing sounds help your baby fall asleep and stay asleep. Includes a soft night light to check on baby